我的尾巴摇得好不好？你瞧，我的尾巴摇得不错吧
？Looking back on our childhood memories, there must be a story about the big bad wolf, the wolf that wags its tail. This is a story my grandmother told me when I was a kid. Still fresh in my memory, I used to learn it in my elementary school textbooks. This shadow puppet animation was created in 1955. The blurry image quality makes people have an endless aftertaste. One day, the old goat was walking on the hillside. In the distance, there was a sudden cry for help.
谁来救救我呀？
谁在喊？哦，没事儿，好像是听岔了。
救命啊！
Enthusiastic, it followed the direction of the sound and came to a trap. It turned out that a wolf fell, but the dazzled old goat couldn't see it for a while, asked hurriedly.
谁呀？
我掉下来了，快来救救我吧！
哎呦，
你快来呀！
你是谁呀？怎么会掉下去的呢？怎么会掉到陷阱里了？
哎呦，好朋友啊！
啊，好朋友。
The cunning wolf begged for help with lies.
好朋友啊，为了我们的友情，你快帮帮忙，把我救上去吧，好不好？
友情
啊？
你是谁呀？我怎么不知道啊？
嗨，
你怎么会掉到陷阱里了？
你怎么能不认识我呢？我是又忠诚又驯良的狗啊！
你是狗
啊！我为了救一只掉在陷阱里的小鸡，就毫不犹豫地跳了下来，就再也上不去了。你可怜我这只善良的狗吧！啊！
你不像狗，倒很像狼。
The calm old goat still remained unmoved. The wolf began to prove it with his actions.
请你相信，我的确是狗，我的性情温和，我还会摇尾巴呢，不信啊？不信你瞧，你瞧啊，我的尾巴摇得好不好
？But the dance is flying in a trap swept by its big tail. Now, the old goat is sure. It's a wolf in dog's clothing.
是狼，狼是专门吃羊吃鸡的。
快点儿吧！只要你伸下一条腿来，我就得救了。我一出来，马上就报答你。我可以给你舔毛，帮你摇狮子。真的，我是非常喜欢羊的，特别是老山羊。
算了吧，你再会摇尾巴，再会说漂亮话，你也骗不了我。你干尽了坏事儿，谁也不会救你的。
The old goat directly exposed the wolf's lies. The angry wolf takes off his disguise, revealed.
什么？你这该死的老山羊！你不快点过来，我就吃掉你！我要吃掉你！
The old goat is not scared. No matter how intimidating it is, it will not help. Just give it a harsh warning.
你不会活多久了，猎人会来收拾你的，你等着吧。
And then it walks away.
该死的羊，你别走啊！你这该死的羊啊！